Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're back, kisses. My name is Rosie for short, and today I want to share this video where I get to show you how I get cash back when I shop online. I know that a lot of people already know about Ebates, and it's not eBay, which I know sounds really similar, but it's Ebates, and it's something that a lot of people use in the United States. But if you're new to the country or if you live somewhere else, then this video is for you. And basically I just want to show you how I use it to get cash back, which may not sound like a lot, but it adds up. And basically the way I see it is it covers for either taxes or the shipping that you pay. So to me it's really worth it, and that's how I always shop online. So I really think it's cool and you benefit from that. So I recommend using this site all year long, but especially when it's holidays or either Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Sometimes when it's Cyber Monday they do double cashback, so that's really awesome. So make sure you do use it. I want to show you on my laptop screen. I have my laptop here, so I want to show you how I have it installed on my laptop, how I always use it. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are on the main page of Ebates, and this is where you get to see all the cashback and stores that they have available. So here on the right side you get to see like my favorite stores like Etsy, eBay, Walmart, and I really like Amazon. And on the bottom, if you keep scrolling down, you get to see all the cashback available. So for example, Kohl's has a 6%, Bloomingdale's has 3, and so on and on. There will be stores that have even up to 6 or even 10%. So if you keep going down, you can see Forever 21 has a 2% cash back, and JCPenney has a 10% cash back. So that's really awesome. That's kind of high, but there's other stores that will even have 15%. So you just have to check. So we're gonna use Forever 21 as an example, and as you can see they have a 2% cashback, or you can search for another store that you have in mind. So just go to shop now, and this will open Forever 21. It will redirect to their website, and this is their main page. And as you can see on the right side, you will get a confirmation notification that it has been applied, the cashback. And also the other way that I confirm if it has been applied is with the green border around the E on my browser. And from here, just do your usual shopping. And by the way, this top is really cute. This is something that I would buy. My size is small, and I would just add it to my checkout or my cart, and then just do the regular checkout, and it's gonna apply the cashback. So one more time, I would double check the E and make sure that it has the green border around, and you can even check for other coupons before you make your payment. And this is my account, so you can see my name. So far I have made $50 in cashback from all the transactions that I've made. Okay, so I want to show you this section, which is the account settings. And this is where you get to pick how to get paid. So if you live in the United States, you have two options: either get a check by mail, or you can use PayPal to get your money there. I have it on PayPal because I want to get the money right away, and it's faster, it's so easy. But if you live outside of the United States, then PayPal is definitely the option for you. And as you can see, I've been a member since 2014, I believe. And then going down to Big Fat Check History, this is where you will see a summary of your transactions. So that way you get to see which store you bought from and how much did you get in cash back, which it may seem like not a lot, but it's like covering the cost of your shipping or taxes. So I think it's really great. And if you want to have the button like I showed you that I have, and it's really useful, that way you never forget about getting cash back. In the past, what happened to me, I would shop online and then later on remember about Ebates, so that you never forget, I would go here and get the Ebates button. And here it will automatically detect which browser you have. So in my case, it's Firefox, but if you have Chrome or Safari, then it will let you know. And then you just click on Get the Button and install that. And that way, each time that you visit a site, it will ask you if you want to activate cashback. So let me show you an example. If I go to Etsy.com, here on the top, you can see a red border on the E, so that means it has not been activated. But in this case, I would click activate the 1% cashback. And then you will see that the border appears green now. So in the description box, I'm gonna leave you an invitation link to Ebates. So in case you wanna use that, you will get $10 cash bonus. So use my link and then click on this and you will get that free. So that's it, you guys. I hope this tutorial was really useful, and this is something that I recommend everyone to have. And this is something that my sister uses, that my boyfriend George has, so it's something that we all benefit from, so why not even use it? So I'm gonna leave in the description box my invitation link, so if you use that link, you're going to get $10 on your first purchase, so it's really awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Kisses. Bye.